Dear students, I am your Dayakar master. Now I am going into the subject. I will take up 5th semester mathematics for final year students, in which there are two papers. In the 5th semester, there are two papers, 5A and 5B. 5B, your Suryababu sir will take up, and in the 5A, the title of the subject is Ring Theory and Vector Calculus. Ring theory consists of 2 units and vector calculus 3 units. So, I will deal with this ring theory. So, before going to the ring theory, we must know the fundamentals of group theory. I think you are aware of this group theory. You have learnt in the 3rd semester in the 2nd year. So, what the group theory is about groups? What is a group? Group is an algebraic structure following 4 axioms, namely closure law, associative law, existence of identity, existence of inverse, and all these axioms. So, you have learnt in the 3rd semester. You might have forgotten all these things. So, let us brush up the fundamentals of group theory. In the group theory, you have binary operation, the algebraic structure, and the all group axioms and commutative law and all these things. After completing all the fundamentals about group theory, we can come to the main syllabus of this 5th semester, ring theory. Let us discuss about group theory, fundamentals of group theory. Before going to the definition of group theory, you must know what is a binary operation. Binary operation. A mapping F from G cross G to Z is said to be a binary operation. What is this? G cross G to Z, a mapping from G cross G to C. For example, let us take G is equal to small a, b, c, a set consisting of a, b, c, the elements a, b, c. What about G cross G? The cross product of G and Z, in which what you get? All the A, B, what are this? A, B, B, C, C, A, otherwise we may write A, B, A, C, like that. A, B, A, C, B, A, B, C, and C, A, C, B. There are 3 elements in the non-empty set G, and in the G cross G, we will get how many elements? 9 elements. Some 3 elements are missing, A, B, B, and C, C. So, Cartesian product of A and B, these are ordered pairs. How many? 9. A, AB, AC, BA, BB, BA, BB, BC, CA, CB, and CC. So, totally 9 elements. These are ordered pairs. So, here binary operation is a mapping F from G cross G to Z. That means we are considering an element from G cross G and we are getting a single element from G. In the G cross G there are all ordered pairs. Pair of elements are there in G cross G and these are mapped to single elements in G. That means if you pick up B, C and put some operation between B and C, you will get a single element like A. That is G cross G to Z. Mapping from G cross G to G or CA to or C or something. AA is mapped to some element, maybe B, like that. You pick up a pair of elements, perform operation between these two and you will get a single element which is said to be binary operation. In simple words, we can say an operation performed between two elements, an operation performed between two elements is said to be a binary operation. In simple words, we pick up two elements, we perform operation between those two, those may be arithmetic operation or something. Any operation between these two elements, you will get a single element. We take a pair of elements and we will get a single element like this. So, a binary operation is a mapping from G cross G to Z. That means in G cross G there are all pairs, pair of elements. In the pair, you pick up any pair and perform operation between those two elements. This may be operation, may be star or circle or something or plus. Perform binary operation between the two elements, you will get a single element. That operation is said to be binary. Bi means two. Binary operation means an operation performed between two elements. Simply we can say, define a binary operation in this way in our colloquial language. An operation performed between two elements is said to be binary operation. Mathematically, its definition is a mapping f from G cross G to G is said to be a binary operation. Clearly you have G is a non-empty set, G cross G contains all ordered pairs and this is a mapping from G cross G to G. We pick up any pair of elements and those are mapped to single element. Why you get single element is that is a resultant of binary operation between the two elements. Suppose B plus C is A, C star A is C, A star A circle A is B, like that. That is a binary operation.